3 low-effort ways to improve your personal finances. Today, I'm going to share some low-effort yet effective ways to improve your personal finances. Whether you're a teenager or have a family of your own, these powerful methods can help get you out of debt and build life-changing wealth. Make a budget. One of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your finances is to make a budget. A budget is simply a plan for how you're going to spend your money each month. It helps you keep track of your income and expenses, so you can see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Making a budget is easy, and you don't need any special tools. Just grab a piece of paper and a pen and list out your income and expenses each month. Then, stick to the budget as best you can. Here are some popular free apps that can help you with budgeting and managing your personal finances. Mint. Mint is a comprehensive budgeting app that allows you to track all of your accounts, including your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments, in one place. Personal Capital, a financial management app that helps you track your spending, investments, and net worth. You Need a Budget, YNAB, a budgeting app that helps you prioritize your spending, follow a budget, and reach your financial goals. Automate your savings. Another great way to improve your finances is to automate your savings. This means setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a savings account, or setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you can be sure that you're saving a little bit each month, even if you forget to do it manually. By automating your savings, you'll gradually build up an emergency fund, which can help you weather unexpected expenses or emergencies. And when it comes to planning for the long game, a 401 plan typically has an option to automate your savings. This means that a certain amount of money is automatically deducted from your paycheck and deposited into your 401 account, so you're prepared when it's time to retire. And if the thought of retiring one day doesn't motivate you, maybe free money will. Many 401 plans offer employer matching up to a certain percentage of your deposit, making a 401 the biggest automation no-brainer of all. Reduce debt. Debt can feel so daunting. It can hurt just to think about it, but these 3 tactics will give you a feeling of control once again over your finances. For starters, pay more than the minimum. When paying off debt, it's important to pay more than the minimum payment due. Doing so will reduce the amount of interest you pay over time and help you pay off your debt more quickly. Second, when you're paying off debt, prioritize high-interest stuff first. If you have multiple debts, it's important to prioritize paying off the one with the highest interest rate first. Doing so will help you save money in interest charges and reduce your debt more quickly. Third, avoid new debt. As you work to reduce your debt, it's important to avoid taking on new debt. This means avoiding using credit cards or taking out new loans unless it's absolutely necessary. This seems obvious, but when your car needs a repair or it's time to shop for Christmas presents, reaching for a credit feels like an easy fix unless you're consciously aware of this impulse. Bad spending habits could undo any financial progress you've made. Did I miss any effective tips or trick for getting out of debt? Please share them below in the comments section. It might really help that one person who can't seem to get ahead financially. Thanks for watching. And if you want more information on getting out of debt and achieving financial freedom, subscribe to get all my latest videos.